How to stake say on Keplr wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to open up a different platform and it is Airdrops. Simply search for it on Google and open up the very first link. Make sure that you are opening up the right one and this is where it will take you. Over here just simply click on connect wallet, then click on this option of Keplr wallet and approve it. After that you are connected to it. Now simply search for chains, and in chains we will search for say, then select say, and here you can delegate your say, or you can also select this particular strategy which is auto compound your say rewards, which basically means that whatever rewards that you will be receiving on your say will be getting into this particular delegation as well. So you would be getting more interest on your say and you would be getting more rewards in this way. So simply click on this option, then select add validator. Over here you get different validators and you can select any of them according to your needs and requirements, but make sure that you choose someone with lower fees. And here you can see there are different validators. You can go with the similar ones that you see on the other Cosmos ecosystem, and you can go with stake zero as well. So we are going with this one as of now. Then select the amount of say that you want to delegate. After that you can click on this option of next, then click on next, and this auto compounding frequency is daily. So this is a great one, and this is not APR but the APY. You can check out the difference on our channel itself. Then click on confirm, then it will wait for this particular transaction. Now approve this transaction, and this way you have staked say using Keplr wallet, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.